Introducing NHT Office, the latest in technology enhancements from NHT Global. The new NHT Office provides a 360-degree view of your business and operations. Available anytime, from anywhere, and on any device. To access this innovative feature, you must go to the NHT Global website and scroll to the upper right corner of your screen. Click to log in. Once you have entered your member ID and password, you can start exploring this responsive business management tool and begin learning all that it has to offer. In the upper right corner of the screen, a dashboard is displayed. This menu consists of 5 icons designed to make your NHT Office experience easier and more efficient. By clicking the first button, your NHT Office homepage will appear. To visit your NHT Global replicating website, click the icon containing the desktop display. When receiving a new message, a red alert will notify you of any incoming mail. To change your language preference, click the global icon display and select the appropriate language from the drop-down menu. Log out of NHT Office by clicking the onward arrow. As you can see, the search bar is positioned directly below the dashboard display. Here you may search the NHT Office portal to view a specific profile of your downline member or search for any order in your downline. Before entering a search inquiry, make sure you select either Member ID or Order ID from the drop-down menu to filter your results. On the home screen, there are 9 widgets devised to track your progress, incentives, and rewards. You can conveniently view orders, monitor shipments, and oversee your team's activity. To access each widget, simply click on the icon displayed or its corresponding green arrow. Every member is able to review their Payoneer card status, personally sponsored downline, as well as other general office information through the Member Status widget. To view your current or highest rank, select the IRP Rank widget. Here you can see the details regarding your status in the International Recognition Program, as well as select your rank goal for the upcoming quarter. The Team Volume widget measures previous order amounts on a weekly and monthly basis. You may select a specific time period from the drop-down menu to view the volume history depending on your preference. The Order History widget provides a basic overview on all of your personal orders. Utilize the Auto Ship widget to view or modify your auto ship settings and see when to expect your next order. To help visualize your team's performance and access downline information quickly, NHT Office has a newly designed Genealogy Tree. This valuable tool can be found under the My Team widget. From the Lifelong Leader Program to the Incentive Program widget, NHT Office allows easy viewing access for current and past points, progress updates, and important notes. If you would like to add a new member, implement order changes, or better understand your account settings, the central menu bar is here to help guide you in the right direction. To enroll a new team member, click the green New Member button, located on the left side of the menu bar. It is important to note that a member will be placed in the genealogy tree according to your preset placement settings. If you would like to place them in a specific position in the tree, make sure you access the position directly from the genealogy tree view. The Account menu provides easy access to edit your general information as well as add more shipping addresses, change your password, and set your default language. You can also select your placement strategy and personalize your NHT Global Online Store. The Commission menu allows you to view your commission history, check details, and review orders for any given week. Using the drop-down menu, you may change the selected dates to see more. NHT Office has designed its tools to be straightforward and simple to use. But if a question or concern does arise, our support team is there to help. By clicking the Support menu, you may contact our customer service team directly. Simply choose the type of inquiry, input your message, and click Send. NHT Office will transform the way you expand your business, interact with your team, and find future prospects, making it easier and more enjoyable along the way. Start taking advantage of all the new features and functionality offered within NHT Office and be on your way to creating lifelong wellness traditions through NHT Global's robust product offering and rewarding business opportunity.